Hello, my name is Stephanie. I work for CMIT Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet in Excel. In order to create a new spreadsheet in Excel, open Excel, go to File, New Workbook, and enter in your data. We'll name this column 1, column 2, and column 3. Enter in your data. And you can select the columns of your spreadsheet, and you can give it borders. By going to Format Cells, Border, Outline, you can choose the color of your outline. Go inside and hit OK. There is a small worksheet. If you'd like to add another sheet into Excel, go to Insert, Worksheet, and Excel will automatically insert a worksheet into the workbook. You can select the cells of your worksheet, right-click and copy them, choose another spreadsheet, and right-click and paste them. Now, if you want to save, go to File, Save As, and choose the location that you'd like to save your workbook. And it's as easy as that. You can just open up Excel and type in your data and format your cells and save it to your favorite place on your computer. My name is Stephanie and I work for CMIT Solutions.